With the anticipated reveal of iPhone 15 series just a couple of months away, the leaks and rumors are creating a buzz of excitement among users. Of all the variants in iPhone 15 series, the standard iPhone 15 is drawing the most attention due to its comparatively affordable price when compared to others. The iPhone 15 is set to have a gorgeous 6.1-inch liquid retina display, delivering vibrant colors and sharp details for an unparalleled viewing experience. When it comes to performance, the iPhone 15 is expected to be a significant improvement over its predecessor. According to rumors, the device will be powered with the A16 Bionic chipset coupled with iOS 17, which is likely to deliver substantial boost in processing power and overall efficiency. Battery life has always been a concern for iPhone users, but this time it seems like iPhone 15 will have a substantial battery backup surpassing its predecessors. According to leakers Shrimp Apple Pro, Apple is finally embracing USB Type-C for faster charging and easier connectivity. As for the camera, Nikkei reports suggest that Sony Group is expected to provide a high-end image sensor for iPhone 15. It is reported to feature a dual rear camera system with an impressive 48-megapixel primary camera. Alongside the hardware improvements, users can also expect some software tweaks to enhance the overall camera performance. As per the rumors, the anticipated price of iPhone 15 is speculated to be approximately $800, which is typically the starting price of this series. However, considering the significant upgrades in terms of chipset, camera module and battery life, there is a possibility that Apple might increase the price of iPhone 15 compared to its predecessors. While these speculations are exciting, we must wait for Apple's official confirmation during the Apple launch event to know the final price of the iPhone 15. Apple's pricing strategy is subject to various factors, and they often unveil their new devices with the comprehensive explanation of the technology and features to justify the pricing. That's it for today guys. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want to stay updated with the latest tech news, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.